Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. Gasoline prices are going up effective tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will both be increased by $1.64. However, automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will fall by $1.18 and 20 cents. Kerosene will also drop by 53 cents. LPG propane will be increased by $1.72, but butane will fall by 51 cents. Now, oil prices fell today. Prices fell by 17 cents to close at $50.46. December 2020 saw the largest comparative decline in the amount of cash released by the market by the Bank of Jamaica BOJ for December in a decade. The BOJ says it distributed an additional $21.6 billion to the market for the period, 14.5% less than December 2019. As of December 31, 2020, the central bank issued $190.5 billion. That was 11.5% more money in the market compared to 2019. The BOJ says this shows a strong annual growth rate in currency issue for 2020 despite the COVID-19 pandemic. This may be due to deposit-taking institutions and individuals wanting to hold precautionary cash balances amidst the economic uncertainties accompanied by the virus. It therefore is not an indication that overall spending in the economy for the year has increased. We go on to currency trading. It ended today with the US dollar selling for $143.45. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.19. The pound sterling costs $194.83, while the euro is going for $176.36. Now, in today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 1,480 points, while the junior market index advanced by 6. The leading winners were Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Cargo Handlers, 138 Student Living, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Siboney Group. Now, the main losers are Consolidated Bakeries, Salada Foods, Palace Amusement, Radio Jamaica, and Stanley Motor. And that's it for the business day. International stories when we return.